4 ways to continually learn and grow. Being a successful actor takes determination and fortitude to continually learn along the way. There's an ongoing learning curve in the entertainment industry, and there is an endless amount of knowledge to be had. It's best to never get too settled. Here are a few ways to continue to learn and grow your career so you will always show up with your A game. Here is the first way to continually learn and grow. One way to continue to learn and grow as an actor is to take acting classes between gigs, especially if you're looking to expand upon your knowledge base and have a more solid understanding of a particular type of acting. You may have been stuck in a particular role for such a long time that you're feeling as if you're not diversifying your skill set enough, or you may have just heard of a particular niche that sounds interesting and you're hoping to learn more. No matter your reasons for taking classes, these offer an excellent chance to take your career in a new direction or build upon your current talents. Here is the second way to continually learn and grow. Another way to continually learn and grow is to explore the world of improv acting. See if there are meetups happening in your area. Improv requires on-the-spot decision-making and forces actors out of their comfort zones. Joining in can be difficult at first, but once you start going regularly, it will get easier. You'll be able to not only improve your cognitive skills, which are critical for success as an actor, but you'll likely start to move past overthinking what you're going to say and start having some fun with how you present your piece, concentrating more on the nonverbal. Here's the third way to continually learn and grow. You may also choose to take on an acting workshop. While classes can require enrollment and tuition, workshops may not be affiliated with any sort of formal educational institution and take place periodically throughout the year, typically at local theaters or event spaces. If you're looking for something that is shorter term than an actual class, this may be a great way for you to continue to learn. Here is the fourth way to continually learn and grow. Another great way to learn and take your skills to the next level is to simply study your favorite actors in their roles. Whether this means watching films, television series, commercials, or online videos, or buying tickets to your favorite plays, take a closer look at how these actors deliver their lines and the body language and facial expressions that come along with it. How do they make their characters so believable and deliver their lines so naturally? Studying the work of well-known actors will help you perfect your own skills. These are all great ways to fine-tune your talents to ensure you have what it takes to be that go-to actor time and time again. Continue to learn, and you will continue to get booked. To learn more, feel free to sign up for our free virtual open call. On this free virtual open call, you will learn about the recent changes in the modeling and acting industries that is opening the doors for more job opportunities. You will learn cutting-edge ways to gain access to a steady stream of high-paying modeling and acting jobs in your local area. You will also learn how to receive continued online training workshops that will prepare you for that big audition or casting call. Click the link below to register now.